Hey everybody, this is Marnock, and today I'm testing out my prototype build of what I'm told is called a Supercat alcohol stove. The Supercat is basically, I took a chicken can, you get the canned chicken breast, it's approximately 3 inches in diameter, and I drilled a bunch of holes around it, 2 rows of holes, and then I put some denatured alcohol. You get that at, anywhere that sells paint supplies, even Walmart. It's only $5 or $6 for the bottle here. Put about an ounce of that into the stove, very carefully light it, and then what you have is a very easy to use backpacking stove. Now the scout troop that I'm a part of, we're going to go backpacking for the first time in November, and nobody has any kind of stoves or anything like that. There's a couple of them in the scout room, but we all need to have some way to heat up water and to cook our food. So I am testing out this idea of an alcohol stove, and as you can see, it's been running for just a little over 10 minutes and that water is boiling. Now the Supercat is a little bit different than what's called a Fancy Feast. That's my next thing that I'd like to build. The Supercat is basically just an empty can with holes in it. It's really simple and it's effectively boiling the water. And this is it. This is the Supercat alcohol stove. Again, just a chicken can. I guess it's about 4 inches in diameter. And then I just drilled holes in a couple rows all the way around it. Nothing fancy. Just popped holes in it to get ventilation. And then when you set the pot on top, the flames come out the sides. It's a very effective little burner. The good thing about the Supercat model of alcohol stove is it's easy to make, it's lightweight, there's no moving parts, there's nothing to clean. However, you have to carry the liquid fuel around with you, which you have to make sure it's in a leak-proof container. And the other negative aspect of it is there's no temperature control. It's good for getting something to boil, but if you needed something to simmer, you'd have to try to play around with height away from the flame, and that can be a little tricky. So that's the Supercat, and hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be back real soon with a video of a Fancy Feast style alcohol stove.